How many vitamins does the human body need? How many kinds of foods must the elderly eat? What does each vitamin do? The human body needs 13 essential vitamins to function properly. These vitamins are classified into two groups: fat-soluble and water-soluble. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K are stored in the body's fat tissue and liver, while water-soluble vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12, and C are not stored and need to be replenished regularly through diet. Here's a brief overview of the function of each vitamin. 1. Vitamin A, important for vision, immune system, and cell growth. 2. Vitamin D, helps in calcium absorption and supports bone health, immune function, and reduces inflammation. 3. Vitamin E, acts as an antioxidant and supports immune function and cell communication. 4. Vitamin K, supports blood clotting and bone health. 5. Vitamin B1, thiamine helps convert nutrients into energy and supports nerve function. 6. Vitamin B2, riboflavin helps in energy production, cell growth, and maintenance of skin and vision. 7. Vitamin B3, niacin supports energy production, cell signaling, and DNA repair. 8. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid helps in energy production and the synthesis of fatty acids, cholesterol, and hormones. 9. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine aids in amino acid metabolism, neurotransmitter synthesis, and red blood. Do the elderly have to take vitamins? As people age, their nutritional needs may change, and certain vitamins and minerals become more important to maintain overall health. While it's generally best to get nutrients from a balanced diet, some elderly individuals may benefit from taking vitamin supplements if they have difficulties with food intake, absorption, or specific deficiencies. Common vitamins and minerals that may be important for the elderly include: 1. Vitamin B12. Some elderly individuals may have difficulty absorbing vitamin B12 from food sources, which can lead to a deficiency. B12 is important for maintaining healthy nerve function and red blood cell production. 2. Vitamin D. As people age, their skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. 3. Calcium. Older adults may require more calcium to maintain bone health and prevent osteoporosis. 4. Vitamin C and E. These antioxidants may help support immune function and protect cells from damage. 5. Folate. Folate is essential for cell growth and repair, as well as the production of red and white blood cells. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional, such as a doctor or registered dietitian, before starting any vitamin or supplement regimen. They can help determine if supplements are necessary and recommend the appropriate dosages based on individual needs and medical history.